smaller bed. This is a smaller bedroom.
Correct.
Okay.
And then
closet, all right. And then you've got laminate flooring there in that hallway.
I do.
Okay. And it's pet friendly. You can have cats and dogs or just cats?
If you are on the condos actually do not allow dogs.
Okay.
Cats only.
Okay.
One of the first questions I ask myself.
All right. This is going to be the bigger of the two windows.
Yep.
What size bed is that?
This is a queen.
Okay. With a big desk, and so there's a lot of space in there for sure.
Yeah, sure is.
Okay. What's the windows overlook to the side? What are we overlooking? It's like a courtyard.
Over
side
here is the community building.
So tell us
And,
about that a little bit. What's included in that, and what are they have in there?
There is a party room that you can rent out for family events. Just beyond it is a gym with exercising equipment in it. And then there's another pathway that leads down into the rear pond behind it. That is also the building that contains the association's office.
Okay.
And guest center and stuff like that. Yep. And then this window just kind of overlooks the driveway area. Yep. And the neighborhood. So
cool. And that's facing north, I believe.
I believe so, yes.
Okay. So your back slider faces south, so you get the morning sunrises and the sunsets.
You do.
Okay. Kitchen, let's check the kitchen out next. So newer appliances, did you do the appliances or they came with?
They came with.
Okay.
And they are staying as well. I'm not taking any of the appliances with me.
Okay. Does have a dishwasher over there, over to the corner.
Yep.
Decent amount of cabinet space and countertop space. You didn't cook us dinner, but that's all right.
Sorry.
Chinese is on the way.
I just had pizza.
Is that a tile or a vinyl floor in here?
Tile.
Okay.
Yeah, the governor has allowed us to have to-go food.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, the queen. Gee, what a freak.
Let's not get started on that. I'm with you.
She is the biggest freak I've ever seen. I've never seen such a horrible individual in my entire life without even thinking.
Oh, it's crazy, that's for sure.
The exceptions she makes. Oh my God. If you're shot, it's funny, you're in for a bag of candy at Myers and you want to pick up a bag of seeds. Oh, you can't pick up those bag of flower seeds.
Yeah, my wife was just talking about that. She's big. She was like, wants to get some plants and stuff going, and a lot of people garden.
Yeah. Yep.
Crazy. So this is the living room, real good sized living room, and this is one of the units that has the gas fireplace. Not all of them have that, as far as I know.
It's actually a wood fireplace.
Wood fireplace. Okay.
Yep.
Right. Does it have a heat later? Does it blow out?
It does. It blows out towards where that window was facing previously.
Okay, all right.
So
Is that
Can you
switches off
adjust,
to the right there?
is that direction adjustable?
it is not.
Okay.
Looks like some custom woodwork above the fireplace even. I thought I saw some more in some of the closets and stuff too. Was that all there too, or do you know anything
It
about
was all there when I moved in. It's not something that I had installed. I did have the fireplace repainted, but I did not change the design in any way.
Looks good.
Yeah.
That's cool that you can have regular wood. It's a nice feature. So then you got the dining area. We could probably head that way first and then out there. So you got a good sized dining area and like a little countertop space and cabinets.
So there isn't an open view between the kitchen and the living room / family room. It's not open. It looks like it's closed off.
You got
It's
just
a
that
little
window.
closed off. It does have the little window feature, but it is mostly closed off, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Laundry.
Washer dryer on the main floor.
Yep.
That's good when you're 70 years old.
That's good when you're 45. And this was kind of cool. I think that's where you're heading. Like there's a separate exit out the back, like a fire escape
Yes,
exit
there
out
is.
the back.
It is a fire escape, just in case.
Yeah, of course. Is there a slider?
There is
Okay,
a
there it is.
slider
There it is.
that leads to. Okay, Kat, you're getting your wish. There you go.
Don't jump. Don't jump.
She has. Oh yeah, she has. I have found her in the fire escape. I have found her in the level below me. She's a very adventurous cat.
Oh.
I see you got like netting up on the railing so that she doesn't escape or what?
That was the initial goal of it. Yes, was to stop her from getting away. And it works for the other cat, but this cat likes to not listen to the rules.
That's a cat for you.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
That's a
And
great
then-
view. I love that view.
Yeah, it's
Oh, yeah.
nice.
Now,
There
can
you
you
go.
operate? I was reading the bylaws at Arbor Lakes. Can you operate that grill on the deck? Or do you got to?
You may, yes.
Oh, you can?
Their only concern is that if you operate it too close to the more plastic here, that you melt it a little bit. But as
Okay.
long as you're out in the more of the open area, you're fine.
Okay.
It's okay.
Now, is there a unit above you, or are you on the second floor?
I am on the highest level. There is a level below me, and then there is a level below them that has direct access to the lake or pond area.
So you're on the third floor.
Yes.
Okay.
But there's only one flight of stairs you actually have to climb.
All right.
We should maybe look at that on the way out and check that out because I was curious about that too. Yeah,
And
storage.
then there's
Yeah.
a separate little cubby hole right here that contains the furnace and water heater.
Oh, cool.
Yep.
Those are maintained by the owner, right?
They are.
Correct.
We are responsible for the furnace, the AC, and the water heater, but stuff like plumbing and stuff like that is all part of the association's purview.
Okay.
I think your own faucets and things like that, Andrew, I think you might be responsible for like a replace a faucet and whatnot, but like the plumbing.
Certainly, yeah.
Okay.
My fiance and I actually just replaced all the internal fauceting on this faucet here, and
Okay.
we also put in a garbage disposal in the kitchen sink.
Okay.
But for the plumbing that goes throughout, like the water pipes, the pipes between me and my neighbors and all that, that's all responsible for the association,
Sure.
not me. So, yeah.
Did we look in that small closet?
Oh, right here? Yeah, no, not yet. This
Okay.
is just our closet space for our shoes and our
Okay.
jackets and stuff.
All right. Charles, you want to see the walk down in the garage stall?
Sure. Yes.
Okay.
Is the garage? Is the
Let me go
garage?
ahead and.
Is the garage underneath? You can't be underneath the unit. It's got to be a fireplace.
No, it's
right?
not. It's a bit of a mess because I'm currently using as storage space, but
Oh, the garage?
yeah,
You got one stall or two?
just the one.
Just one. Okay.
Oh, quite the snow today, huh?
Here we go.
Oh wow, it's really coming down.
So yours is you're muted right now, Andrew, if you're trying to talk, but looks like your unit is straight across from the walkway. Yep. That's kind of nice. Well, thanks for doing this, Andrew. Any other questions you can think of, Charles, right now, or Kevin can rally up some questions for you later? It's up to you.
No, I don't. It's a pretty good. It's not the same as being there, obviously.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, the just to talk on that note, we do have the option now where you get to go to the condos, the homes or condos with the inspector. So that's a new thing in the last few days, where you get to see it in person. So it's not totally like a, it's not totally like buying something from a video or anything like that. So
Right.
you do have that
Well,
option.
there's always ways to see it.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, that's not an issue.
Okay.
There's a will, there's a way.
Yep.
Just keep some groceries in your trunk. I'll keep that bag of candies in my pocket.
Yep.
Well, thanks for the tour, guys.
All right. Well, thanks for checking it out. And thanks again, Andrew. And we'll be in touch, everybody.
All right. Thank you much. See you
All
later.
right.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.